I am here at Henri and we are going in and doing a video update of everything that's going on at Henri. Here we are walking in. As you can see, we are definitely in the rough phase. We got materials left over from rough, from plumbing. We got a heater. When the weather really gets cold, we will not have the furnace in yet. We got a lawnmower for keeping the grass up so the neighbors don't get upset. And we got a generator here. So here we are. As you can see, we got the vent pipe in, waste line in for the kitchen. And here we are in the basement. And as you can see, waistline, drainage in. Got a lot of work that the plumbers have done for rough plumbing. In the ground, serious rough plumbing action going on here. That is actually will be the laundry room / storage. And then over here, we've got our bathroom. We'll have I say full bath, but a lot of people say 3/4. There'll be a shower in here. All right. Of course, got our new ductwork ran for HVAC. All right. Hey, thanks a lot. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. Click, like, subscribe. Hey, it's LeVar Love with The Real on Real Estate. You guys have a good one.